Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your August love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Like and share and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. And the Hindi Urdu versions are already done on our other channel for August horoscopes. You can visit that channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu. The link is in the timestamp. So let's see how the month will be for you, Scorpios. How are you, friends? It's raining a lot. I hope you can hear the rain. I don't know if you can. It is raining a lot. Look at that. Communications. The August month is about communications, news, messages, lots of actions, guided intentions. So this is a fast, quick month for you, friends, and Scorpios. Great month, actually. Let's see what is Scorpios theme of the month for August. Oh, wow, your own energy, Page of Cups. So also, this is an emotional month for you, a happy month where you feel happy, where you feel also a lot of emotional ups and downs, emotional highs, I feel, and a lot of actions are coming. I also feel a new proposal is coming your way, friends. Let us see theme of the month for August. Okay, Queen of Cups, and we got this also, the Page of Wands. So some sort of an excitement is coming your way, friends. August is the month where something will start, where you will feel very excited. It could be that a new romance is there, or a new job or work is there, so you feel very excited. And also your relationships will reach a new height, a new depth of love, and a new intensity. So congratulations, it is a great month for you. There is love, there is communications. You will feel very excited because something you were working on is finally paying off. It is like your hard work paying off. All your efforts now bring results, so you are very excited. This is a very exciting month for you, a lot of people oriented month. A lot of people are there important for you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. So a lot of people, a lot of friendships, relationships, whether personal or professional, are important. So yay, let's see your love life, Scorpios. A lot of messages are coming. I feel long distance connections are also important. Love life for Scorpios. The Emperor, the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Wands. Ooh, the Three of Swords, the Empress. Oh, the Queen of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. Love life for Scorpios. The Hierophant, the Hermit, the High Priest, sorry, the Two of Wands, the Hermit. Wow. Oh my Scorpios, what is going in your love life? This is intense. So Scorpios, it feels like when you start the month of August, it feels like you are feeling very powerful about your life. You are feeling very powerful to take charge of your love life. If you are single, you are ready to mingle. Also, if you are in a relationship, you are feeling very, sure about that relationship or in control of that relationship. You could be dealing with a person who is very attractive and very good looking. They could be a celebrity or somebody famous. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person. Also, someone who was resistant to your love or effort, Scorpio, that person wants you now and they are thinking about you in the first week of August. So this is a wonderful energy, and a lot of spark of love is there, a lot of attraction is there. So congratulations, well done. Also, in the first week of August, your energy is very much self-focused, Scorpio. So even though people want you and your lover wants you, they want to talk with you, your energy is very much, your focus is very much on yourself, on your career, on your future, rather than on love. Self-love is your key in the first week. Let's see the second week. I do feel there is a relationship which has been hanging, friends. There has been a relationship or love situation which is stuck, and you feel like you are hanging or banging your head, but things don't move in your love life. So, that situation could come back again in your life. You know, you may feel a bit like things are slow in your love life, but I think. It's just a matter of time. The luck is with you, the wheel of fortune is with you, so changes are coming. Just be a little patient, Scorpio. I know it's not fun, to wait always, but just a bit of wee bit of patience, and things are going to improve. Yes, look at that. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I do feel your person will communicate. If this situation was hanging, your love life was not moving forward, you were in no contact, long distance, I do feel that your person will message you, things will expand. And yes, if your person will tell you you are the one for them, they want to marry you, they want to commit to you. So there will be a lot of talks about the future, about the present moment. And Three of Swords, yes, I do feel that some past hurts will also be discussed and resolved in the second week. So it is a wonderful week for you. Also, if you were planning to get married, or if you are already married, you are planning to expand your family, this is a great week. If there were restrictions in family planning, or you were not getting pregnant, this is the week that the magic of the universe is yours. So look out for that. And also, past issues will heal. So this is a wonderful week for you. Let's see the third week, Scorpios. Yeah, I feel third week your person is very much like they are trying to hide. You are also trying to isolate yourself from social media. Try to know, you're also trying not to expose your relationship, or bring too much attention on yourself. You are hiding your feelings, your person is hiding their feelings. Also, matters of family are very important. Maybe you and your person are busy with family issues, or you're looking after family, a father figure, or father-in-law, or some of you are busy with your university or colleges. Maybe you have exams, so the focus is less on love rather than on self focus, on family, on marriage, on rituals, rites, religion, culture, distance, what is good, what is not. All those bigger things are more important right now. And your love life is more or less stable in the third week. And I think you are the only sign which has the right till now has a stable third week, because everyone is having a shocking third week. So you are the only one, Scorpios. So you may feel like there is not much focus on your love life in the third week. You are more focused on other things, your family, your university, colleges, your job, your work, and so is your partner. Let's see the final week. So, final week, yes, all the past trust issues will be resolved. All those trust issues, or when your partner was breaking your trust, or there were some communication blocks happening, all that will be resolved, because you see, August is the month where communications are perfect for you, Scorpios. And the King of Pentacles, yes, your person is going to show themselves in their best light, put the best foot forward. They want you. I also feel that they will try to win you by showing themselves off. Eight of Swords, if they were not able to take action, they will be taking action in the fourth week. Also, Page of Swords, I do feel that your person is very sure what they have to do in this connection and about the future. So you will feel very confident and very bold. Ace of Swords, uh, the fourth week will be very, very a breakthrough week for you, where there is clarity, where there is love, where there is also again a reunion, messages coming, plans being made, you guys meeting up and spending more time together, clarity about your future, what you want to do. So, Scorpio, this is a great month for you. Let us see some love advice. Transformation, big changes are coming in your love life. So yes, you may feel things are stuck. No, things are not stuck. You may feel like you are discussing the same things again and again. No, I think things are changing for you. You had the wheel of fortune, so things are changing, and big changes, and very silently big changes will happen in your love life, your person. And if you are single, you are going to meet somebody new, and if you are already in a relationship, things will get better. Throat chakra, yes, communications, important communications are going to come your way. This is the month of communications. Good news coming your way. And look at that, material and spiritual prosperity. So your relationships will not only are spiritually connected to you and spiritually healing for you, they will also bring you luck and success this month. So congratulations, Scorpio. Let's see your work and career now. Scorpios, their work, their career now, new beginnings. Yeah, some of you are starting something new, or you're starting a new project, and it's bringing you a lot of success. Material prosperity begins. I think you are doing the ground job, this firm foundation. Yeah, you are working on the foundations, victory, success. My God, you are very busy, 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 Scorpios. You are starting something new, or you are planning a new project, a new idea in your mind. Some of you have already started working on this, or you will be starting to work on a new business idea, new house, buying a new property. You are working on it, starting a new career, starting a new project, and this will bring you a lot of prosperity in the future. This will also bring you a lot of independence, a lot of you will feel like a king or a queen. Also, you will be working on the foundations this month, friends. Some of you, like, whatever your weakness is, you are trying to make that strong. Like, if you are a student, you are working on your weaknesses, you are trying to make that strong. So you are working on your roots, so which is a great thing, because a strong root is a key to a strong future. It is a key to a strong and stable, very strong tree. Trees can stand very strongly if they have good roots. Also, yes, whatever efforts you put in, you will have victory in that. There is a lot of victory, there is a lot of success coming in your career, your studies, especially in the month of August. Also, if you are waiting for news or messages, some of you could be waiting for like foreign degrees or permissions, permits. Yes, there might be certain delay in that message, like it was due to come in the first week, but it will come in the midweek or the end of August, and it will come in your favor. So you will come out like you're winning the job, you are selected in that interview, but there might be a delay in the news, in you getting the message. So there is a delay in there, so just be patient with that. Crown chakra, you're very, very guided, friends. Your intuition is very strong this month. Also, you will have a lot of creative ideas. So use that in your career, in your studies. And I think you will know when to work and when to rest. And you must listen to that, to your body, because all work and no play can make the jack a very, very dull boy or girl. So let us see some advice for you, Scorpios. Oh, wow, some cards dropped out. Take a step back. Wow. I feel this is not the month you should run ahead, Scorpios, without planning, because you are already being guided, and also something is guiding you. There is a force, messages are coming your way. So you should wait for the messages and news to come your way. Vulnerability and freedom. Yes, you are very, very. You may feel a lot of emotions. I told you, emotional highs and lows, but at the same time, this will also make you free, very, very free and liberated. And yes, you are on the right path. If some of you were asking, will something will happen in August? Yes, it will. Are you on the right path? Yes, you are. So congratulations for that. So it's just a matter of, let's just take them. Scorpios. All right, lots of cards want to come. Wow, you have tons of cards. I think almost the entire deck is here. So success, yes, success is coming your way. Scorpios, nothing to worry. March is important for you, or somebody born in March. Be aware of great pride. Yes, pride is not a good thing. Maybe somebody around you is prideful. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Victory. I think you are going to win a contract, or you are going to win an award. Some of you could be getting a job offer, a house in your name, a nameplate on your house. Like some of you are buying a property, or shifting, or relocating, or a legal issue is resolved in your favor. February is also important. March and February. Rabbit, too much concern with sexual pleasures. Yeah, there is sexual chemistry, excitement. January, someone born in January is also important for you, friends. Family sorrow. Yeah, I do feel the mid of month is important for your family related issues. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Wines, seek out information that will help you. Yeah, listen to people around you whom you can trust. Wrath, sorrow over a loss. Yeah, you may be there you may leave a job or something and start something new, or you may change a city or something like that also. Keep your life in balance. November is also important. Lots of months are important. March, no, February, January, February, March, and November. Lion, it's time to take action. Wall, a misunderstanding will definitely resolve in the month of August. Spiritual love is very important to you. A sincere wish will be granted. And vulture, depression, anxiety, or worry that someone is against you. I feel like, you may feel like your luck is not with you, but I feel your luck is very, very strong, friends. So happy August. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.